I challenged myself to create an FPS game in 1 hour. Yeah. So, no time to waste, let's get started. First, I made a project and quickly made a prototype scene with a plane and a simple capsule as my player, like always, and added a script to make it move and jump. Then, in 3ds Max, I started modeling my own player. It's simple, but not bad for 1 hour game. Upload it to Maximo and rig it. Then put it back into Unity. And using a set of locomotion animations, I set up an animator for it. So it now can move with animations. Then I set up an FPS camera in a way you can see players' feet, which is cool. And almost every FPS game needs a gun because it's a shooter game, so I modeled my own low poly pistol in 3ds Max quickly, and also using animation rigging, I made my character to interact with the pistol. Then using Unity's particle system, I made muzzle flash, and of course some recoil. It's not that good, but not bad for now. Then using a particle system, I made a bullet impact. But we still need something to fight, so yeah, I just modified my own player and changed some color to make him look like a zombie. And added some walking animation, so he's a live scary zombie now. And also added a ragdoll and ability to give him some pain and kill him. And of course, some headshot. Then I added a script to make them follow me. And then I quickly made some level with Unity basic 3D elements and some prototype materials. And also modified bullets impact, so its material is like the same as the hit point. And also a system to spawn zombies all around the scene. And of course, sound effects. Lots of dead bodies here. Then UI. First, I made a welcome screen. And of course, name for this 1 hour made game. whach was this bullet icon. And also made some icons in the game to represent kills and headshots, and a health bar. and some blood effect on screen when you get damaged by zombies. And of course a dead panel with some information like kills, headshot you did in this game, and also your high scores. And post menu with some kind of ability to change camera sensitivity and every some button. And the most important thing, the headshot message. Something tells you, hey, you did a headshot. To be honest, I spent about 1.5 hours on creating this game, and I didn't count the time I spent on UI, because I just created custom shaders for health bar and for icons to make them glow, and also support for multiple language, both Kurdish and English, and it takes a lot of hours, which is not necessary. Anyway, this game will be freely available for Windows users. Actually, I tried WebGL, but there was tons of bugs with WebGL in Unity 2020.2. Like there was no bloom effect and there was no sound. And anyway, the game will be available for Windows and the link will be in the description. And it's it. Like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching, and don't miss this short gameplay.